Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bee and this is Bee's Beauty. Today we're going to be talking about your Mac. If it's been running slow and you've deleted pictures, you've cleaned out so many apps but it's still going slow, I'm going to give you the quickest and easiest tip to get started. We're going to go ahead and go right up here to the top left on the Apple and click about this Mac. We're going to get the overview and we're going to want to go to storage. As you can see, my storage is of 500 gigabytes and you can tell my iOS files are 37 gigabytes, the system is 1124, all good. In other things we have 50.34 gigabytes occupied. Now this shouldn't be normal. First of all, I should have a bunch of yellow color for my pictures and it's not reading it well. You can tell that your hard drive is not reacting well or it's not reading your computer well when this is happening. So what we want to do is reread our hard drive, and I know it sounds a little scary, but don't worry, it doesn't do anything apart from rereading your whole storage, and this will make your computer go faster. I invite you to subscribe down below. It helps out so very much and I really appreciate you coming around here. Let's get right to it. First of all, guys, we want to go to System Preferences. So we're going to open that up, and as you can see, you have your whole menu. We're going to click on Spotlight. You're going to get this first window. As you can see, this is search results. We are going to go into privacy. Now, there's two ways of doing it, guys. You can go down here and click on the plus and add your hard drive, or as I do it, since I have it right here on my desktop, I'm going to grab my hard drive and I'm going to leave right here. It says, are you sure you want to prevent Spotlight from searching in macOS? We're going to click on OK. Once we have it here, guys, you're going to click on top, you must select it, and you are going to delete it with the minus. You're going to go back, click out, leave your things as it is. You're going to find, if you leave this open, this is going to start rewriting itself. It's going to start showing how many gigabytes you have in video, how many gigabytes you have in apps, how many gigabytes you have in the system, how many gigabytes you have for everything. Leave it there, be patient, just make sure you don't turn off your computer until this process is done. Nothing's gonna come out and tell you that it's done, so don't wait for any notification. You're just gonna have to check it every once in a while during the day. So make sure you do it maybe in the morning so you can check it in the late afternoon, and make sure that this is all rewritten. You can also click out and maybe just go back into About This Mac and go back to storage to see if anything is happening. You'll end up seeing your storage with everything calculated in the right way, and you'll probably even free up some space. After cleaning your computer, sometimes it does go a little slow. Sometimes the macOS, the hard drive just stays there rereading itself. So this is a way of basically cleaning. As you can tell, you can already see there's a change in my whole storage. This is going to keep on going because 70 gigabytes of other is still a lot without being explained. Do this and let me know if it works for you. If you have any other tips that maybe I don't even know, make sure you leave them down below. You know, we all can keep learning. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.